See if I get my same park back. Gotta be love. Ooh, same park time. Same park. 15 minutes. Let's go. 15-minute parking. Same park. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, it's off track again. Oh man, let's go get this order. Oh. Copyright. Hey, how's it going? I'm fine. Copyright. Hold on, yeah. Copyright music. Somebody listen to that Dolce. I said Dolce. Somebody listen to that new. You dig? I'm have to manually clamp my dang on thing, huh? I'm literally going to the other building right across from where I just left from. Literally the other side. That's the thing with Uber Eats though. It doesn't, because I could have picked up both orders. I was on the street already, but it sent it to me after I picked up the other one, and it makes you go in the order. They make you go. Unlike DoorDash, where you could pick which orders do you gonna go to. You have to do the orders in order. I wish they changed it. I thought after a while they would have.